Happy Monday, Donnie B, LPR Sound Foundations. How's everybody doing? Good to see you. Hey, this week, got something special for you. I got some viewer mail. I got some viewer questions. I thought I'd answer the viewer questions today because I can. You know what I mean? So if you guys are ready to hang out and here's somebody else's question. Maybe you had the same question about being an audio engineer, music producer, studio owner. You may have the same question. You never know. So I'm here to answer your questions. I'm going to put, there'll be some links to other YouTube videos. I'll put those in the description. You guys can go grab that. I'll remind you about that when we get to the answers of these questions. So if you're ready to go, let's get going. First question. How do I get started as an audio engineer, music producer, studio owner? Hey, you already have. You just did. You're watching me. So you just started. There you go. No. Hey, look. Actually, I've got this. You can go download this. I will put these in the description as well. But go to learnprorecording.com/studio growth formula. This is a good thing to get you thinking about what it takes and how to do it and where to start and where to begin. I mean, if you've got any idea, if you've got any thought that this is something that you want to do, the Studio Growth Formula is going to help you, going to push you over the edge. So be prepared for that. Okay, but no, I will add it in the description. I'll add a link to another video that explains this a lot deeper. Yeah, man, look, if you kind of already have a studio. You kind of already are a music producer. You kind of already are a studio owner. You may be an artist. You're already there. You know what I mean? So you've already got it going. So go. You know what I mean? Don't go quit the day job just yet. But you might want to think about it. You might want to think about doing this full time and making you money doing this. This is an awesome gig. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in a minute. But this is definitely, if you have any thought process of maybe wanting to do this for a living, I'm here to help you. I'm here to support you. If you've ever wondered what it takes to get started, or you ever wondered what it takes to grow or to expand, I'm here to help you. If you've had any ideas about wanting to do this, I'm here to help you. You just got to reach out. That's why I'm here. So, next question. How much does it cost to build a studio? That's a great question, and I'm going to answer it. There's I'm going to link, again, to a video called The Studio. It's called the $150,000 Challenge, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a challenge. I give you $150,000. You can go build a studio. Boom. That's what... Look, I'm not really giving you $150,000, although that would be nice, and I wish that I could, but I can't. So there's that. But no, what I do is on paper, I give you $150,000, and it is a challenge, and you can follow up with it. I'll follow up with you if you want. Just reach out. But this does a couple of things. This lets you learn about how much stuff costs. Well, first of all, it lets you know what kind of stuff you want in your studio. Man, look, if you got a laptop and an inbox, I'll start again with that because nobody's got an inbox anymore. I guess they still make them. Never mind. I digress. But if you got, most people have a Focusrite and a laptop and a microphone. Bro, you got a studio. There's your start. This studio that I'm in right now that I've owned, we started this 19 years ago. 2024 is our 20th year, so there's going to be a big celebration about that. I will talk more about that in the coming weeks. We're going to start planning that, so get ready for that. But no, I started with a laptop and a I think it was a $99 Behringer microphone, the B1. I think they're still available, man, if y'all want to go out and grab one. Those are great mics, by the way. For the price, can't go wrong. That or an AT2020, amazing mics for $99. Can't beat them. Go get yourself a microphone and an interface, and you got a studio. Start making music, man. Start making your own music. Start working for other people. Start making other people's music. Start, call your friends, see if they want to come over and record with you. Have them pay you. Don't ever work for free. We're going to talk about that in a minute. But there's that. You know what I mean? So you now have a studio. So build it. The $150,000 challenge lets you see what kind of gear you want, and it lets you know how much this gear costs because you're going to go do research into how much the thing costs. So let's say in your studio you want to have an analog console. So you go look and you buy a $75,000 console. So you just blew half your money. know what I mean? You got nothing left to buy some nice Mogami cables to plug these microphones into that console. You know what I'm saying? So you be aware of that you need to, you got to grow into it. How much does a studio cost? Much money as you want to spend, my friend. That's what it costs. But go do the $150,000 challenge because it's awesome because it lets you know how much stuff costs, and you got to stay within your budget. You also have to keep into account the facility. Unless you're gonna work at home, you gotta pay rent, you gotta have insurance, you gotta hook up the electricity, the gas, everything, man. You gotta buy an air conditioner, you gotta buy snacks for your clients. Everything should be in your list of $150,000, but you only have $150,000 to spend, and it goes quick. I promise you. It says the next question: how long does it take to get good enough to make money? Dude, yesterday you were good enough to start making money 2 weeks ago. Just go. Don't wait. Go make money. Stop working for free. If you've been working for free for other people, stop right now. Never work for free ever again. Raise your prices. Start out at $25 an hour if you're an engineer. Start out at $400 a track if you're a producer. Just go. Somebody gonna pay you $400 for a track. I know you only been charging $20. No, get $400. I know you've been trying to do, I'll engineer you, man, just for $12. No, don't engineer for $12. Absolutely not. Raise your prices. You know what I mean? Start making money yesterday. Even if it's your best friend, man. Your best friend should be paying you. At least buying you a hamburger. Look, bro, you buy the pizza, I'll record your song for you. Come on over. That's how it works, man. Always work for an exchange. Don't work for free. Always have some kind of exchange, even if it's food. That's an exchange. So that's how long it takes to get started making money. Tomorrow, yesterday, 2 weeks ago, last month. You're ready. Go. What if I live in a small town? What if I live in a small market? Bro, you are set in a small market. How many people are doing what you do in a small market? 2? You and the other guy? Be better than the other guy. Be more expensive than the other guy. So in the mind of the consumer, they'll think, oh, that guy's $30, the other guy's $20. The $30 guy must be better. I'm gonna call him. Absolutely, you're better because you're $30. Be worth $30 though. Don't be worth 10 and then try to charge 100. You see what I'm saying? Go learn your craft, get good at what you do, and go make your money. Seriously. You know what happens, man, when if somebody calls me and tells me I'm too expensive, I raise my prices because they think I'm too expensive. They can go to the cheap guy. Cheap guy's gonna do a good job. But if you really want to work on your music, call me. It's gonna cost you a little more than the cheap guy, but it's gonna get done well, So there's that. So yeah, man. It's all about marketing. It's all about how you position yourself in your market. If you're in a small market, don't think you got to move to LA or New York or Nashville to go do what you do. No, wherever you're at is where you're at. That's where you're doing it. So go get it done. Damn. I wish I was in a small market, man. I actually don't like. I'll say it out loud, man. I actually don't like living in Los Angeles, but I guess y'all can kind of tell where. Not too many people say y'all around here, so you might know about that. So yeah, look. I just happen to live here because this is where our business is. This is where our work is. My wife's an actor, and so she's got to kind of be here. This is her market, so this is what we do. So we make the best of life, and I'm super grateful that I've got to do this. I've been able to do this my entire career, so it's been awesome. Don't get me wrong, I'm not mad. But if I was in a smaller market, I'd definitely be doing well. I promise you that. So yeah, go raise your prices, man, right now. Go on your website, pause the video, go raise the prices on your website right now. Tell them I said. Tell them Donnie said. Yeah, there you go. Do I have to be an intern first? No. It helps, but no, you don't have to. But yeah, it helps. I mean, you're going to learn the ins and outs of different studios, different facilities, working with different producers, working with different engineers, working with different artists. Yeah, it helps. I mean, if you're in a market that's got other studios around you, yeah, be an intern for a couple of months, man. Go get it. Yeah, you're probably not going to get paid to be an intern, so keep the job at Starbucks for a moment. But definitely, man, you can't put a price on experience. You definitely can't put a price on experience. And most of the guys that have interned with me have wanted to do this have gone on to do amazing, great things. started out as an intern, and now they're, huge engineers. They're huge producers. And I'm very proud that they have gone on to do that, because they always remember their roots. They always remember where they started. And that's helpful. Don't forget where you came from, ever, because you came from somewhere, and remember that, So just go keep that in mind. So no, you don't have to be an intern, although it does come in handy. And down in the description, I'm going to link to a video that can pretty much guarantee you an internship. Because I've been an intern. I started out as an intern, and then I hire interns. Now I own the place, so I bring interns into my facility. And there's a certain intern that I'm looking for as a studio owner. As a music producer, as a record producer, there's a certain intern that I'm looking for. And I'm sharing those secrets with you, man. And so there's no reason for you not to go get that internship. Even if there's 42 other people looking for that same internship, you're going to stand out on top, because you're going to listen to what I have told you. You're going to listen to the tips that I give you in this video. Go look down in the description. It's right there. How to become an intern. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Enjoy that one, because it's cool. All right. The next question. Do I have to go to school to learn to be an audio engineer, music producer? No, absolutely not. The short answer is no. Let's just, we want to leave it at that? We can. No, dude, you don't have to go to school. If you're of the mindset that you have to have a 4-year degree to do anything and make more money than a high school dropout, are you correct or are you not? I don't know. Ask a high school dropout that's making millions. I'm just saying. No, you don't have to go to school to do this. I kind of think it's better. This is my opinion. I think it's better if you don't. I think you just get good at what you do and learn how to market your skills as doing what you do. Now, I will say this. If you do think you need to go to school and learn business, learn marketing, learn accounting. These are things that you're going to need in your business as an audio engineer, as a music producer, definitely as a studio owner. You're going to need these skills. These were lacking in my life because I never needed that. I never needed marketing. I never needed accounting. I never needed business. I don't know. I didn't need all that stuff. I've learned along the way, but I had to learn along the way. So here's a suggestion, man. Go to a local community college, take a business and marketing class. You don't have to have a degree. Not to work for me, you don't. If you want to work for me, here's what you got to do. You got to be good at what you do, and my clients have to like you. That's all. It doesn't even matter how much you cost. I pay you what you're worth. All right, I can tell you this, man. All right, so yeah, we're in the Los Angeles market, and Los Angeles is, a little bit pricier than if you lived in, I don't know, Iowa or something. But no offense to Iowa people, that's the first thing came to my mind. Okay, I'm not picking on y'all. Don't be mad. Don't go leaving comments like you did last time. Not the Iowa people. It was the Indiana people who left the comments. Those guys. I'm just kidding. Stop. No, look. So the starting pay that I pay engineers to work for me is $25 an hour. I mean, that's the starting rate for me. A lot of the guys that work for me, one guy makes 45, one guy makes 50, another guy he charges me $65. This is one girl. We hired her, bro. She's awesome though, don't get me wrong. And she's $75 an hour. And I don't have a problem paying that because she is definitely worth $75 an hour. She's really good at what she does, and she's efficient. She gets stuff done quick. And she got Grammys. That helps when you got a Grammy. You can raise that price. You get those accolades built up. You start raising them prices. Now, I don't think about accolades like that for myself, but you start stacking up accolades and you can start raising them prices. You know what I mean? I know one guy that started. All right, here's an example. One guy started out here as an intern. Now he's a mix engineer. He's in the R&B hip hop game. He charges about $8,000 a mix. So if you want him to mix your song, it's about $8,000. So bring your checkbook. It's gonna cost you. But he's really good at what he does. He's got multiple Grammys, multiple Golden Platinums. He's got his name on a lot of awesome records. that I'm proud to say that he was an intern at my studio one time. So there's that. So again, I'm gonna put all these descriptions, all these links to all these things are gonna be in the description. Go look at them. I didn't have time to build buttons to put up there for you. So if you do want to reach out to me, my email I'll put right here, info@learnprorecording.com. So, but I also do have a membership and community available, and this is gonna help you grow. It's gonna help you start, and it's gonna help you grow. I am in the membership. All of my network is in the community and the membership. The membership includes master classes, monthly master classes, monthly workshops, monthly live group coaching calls. I'm available for one-on-one coaching in the membership if needed. If you want to reach out to me and go, hey man, I really need some help with something, I'm there for you, my brother. So that's what the membership is. There are courses in the membership which are designed to help you build, grow, and scale your business in this world of the audio world as an audio engineer, music producer, studio owner. So that is learnprorecording.com/membership. Go grab that, man. Go check it out. There's a money back guarantee, man. You get up in there, you don't like it, let me know, man. I'll give you your money back. It's not that big of a deal. I'm only there to help you. The community is the network of people such as myself and all the other people that are in there that are there to ask questions, answer questions, share mixes. These are your peers. These are people that you need to know. These are people that need to know more importantly, these are people that need to know you. So get in there, man. Enjoy the membership. It's awesome. Again, one more time, that's learnprorecording.com/membership. Go get in on that, man, and it's awesome. And like I said, we're just there to help you grow. Simply there to help you grow. So all of the stuff I talked about today is going to be linked in the description down below. And go get it. Go check it. If you're really serious about wanting to do this for your living, 2024 is coming. Isn't it time you go do what you want to do? Man, become the CEO of your company that you know that you have inside you. Be a CEO. Stop being a worker bee. Start your own damn company. Let's get this done. With my help, with the help of the community, we're there to prop you up and encourage you and empower you. Go be a CEO. Get a hold of it. Hit me up. Let me know if you got any questions. info@learnprorecording.com. My name is Donnie B. I will see you guys on the blog post on Wednesday. If you guys are on my free Friday template list, I'll talk to you on Friday. If not, see y'all next week. Have a great week, ladies and gentlemen. Go forth. Make your money. Make your damn money. Have a great week, everybody. Donnie B, I'm out of here.